Welcome! We're going to talk about how to promote sense-making in your mathematics classroom. Sense-making is a critical piece of daily math instruction, whether we are teaching face-to-face in a classroom or virtually through distance learning. We will use the solve and share today because every lesson in Envision begins with a problem to get students engaged in thinking about content. This is a great opportunity to use a sense-making routine. There are lots of reasons to bring sense-making into the mathematics classroom. Students will often focus on specific numbers and computations without fully understanding a problem. Sense-making helps students focus on the actions and relationships in the problem situation. Sense-making routines also bring the mathematical practices into daily instruction and help students become independent problem solvers. There are many routines that can be used to promote sense-making. For today's example, we will use I notice, I wonder, and also look at the problem without any numbers.
Here we have a solve and share from 3rd grade. You can display this for your students in the classroom or share your screen on a digital platform while distance learning. The solve and share can also be assigned to students and used as a powerful tool to monitor student understanding. We will talk more about this in the next video. To get ready for today's lesson, we used the toolbar on the right-hand side. We hit the numbers and added the text, I notice, I wonder, to help students focus on the relationship and actions within the problem. Some independent think time is important to help students to build confidence in solving problems. After the independent think time, you may consider having students share their thinking in small groups in the classroom or in breakout rooms if you are teaching virtually. We have the opportunity to create a culture of everybody can problem solve in our mathematics classroom by honoring all students' noticings and wonderings. Here are some of the responses we have heard from students in the classroom while using the sense-making routine. Ask students to determine which observations will be most useful in solving the problem.
We just saw one example of how to bring a sense-making routine into daily instruction. It's important to set the routine so that students feel confident to tackle new problem situations and solve problems.
Once students have had their synchronous time with you sense-making, now they are ready to solve the problem independently using tools, models, or strategies of their choice. Don't forget to give students the numbers before they start solving on their own. Look for more videos on using the solve and share to monitor students' understanding and facilitating a share and compare discussion.